All right, good day, everybody. So what we're looking at here is a CAT 305 E2 mini excavator, if it matters to anybody watching. I rented this machine for a few reasons. One being that I couldn't find anybody who was actually willing to do the work. Two, the few that were willing to do the work weren't really interested in doing it for quite some time. And when I looked at the overall cost of renting the machine and doing the work myself, it was a no-brainer. The entire weekend cost me under $600, and that was round-the-clock use, even into some of the nighttime, trying to be as efficient as I could. But the goal was to have some kind of a yard, backyard, front yard, what have you, on my property for my kids to run around, my dogs to play and such. And there's my lovely mama, who has been there probably more than anybody so far, and really put in a lot of work clearing the land and so on with me. Here's my little forest toad friend. Well, more of a big forest toad. He was right alongside a couple garter snakes, so we had a good time. It was a lot of fun. If you're considering renting one of these machines and you've never used one before, I hadn't either. And let me tell you, it is actually a lot easier than it looks. Don't be nervous. Don't be afraid to experiment. You'll save yourself a lot of money, and whatever mistakes you may make with your ground, you're going to make up for. You can correct everything that you do just about, and you're going to learn from this experience. So get yourself out there and rent a machine and get to work, and tune in for some more videos.